Calculate each of the following. A. Number of C atoms in 0.500 mole of C. B. Number of SO2 particles in 1.28 moles of SO2. C. Moles of Fe in 5.22 times 10 to the 22nd atoms of Fe. D. Moles of C2H6O in 8.50 times 10 to the 24th molecules of C2H6O. To understand the concept of a mole in chemistry, think of a dozen. A dozen is always 12. No matter what you're counting, a dozen eggs, whether they're chicken, ostrich, or hummingbird, is always 12 eggs. Similarly, in chemistry, a mole is always 6.02 multiplied by 10 to the 23rd power. It doesn't matter what you're counting, a mole of hydrogen particles, helium particles, or carbon particles, it's always the same amount.